Today, let me tell you, today I'd like to take just a moment of your time and talk about some terrific track trippers here on Austin's American Flyer YouTube page. It's totally YouTubular. So before us are two of the three types of track trippers that American Flyer manufactured. The first one I'm going to bring up here in front of us, another sample. And what this simply does is it goes between the rails, and as you can see there's a raised section. And if we spin it over, you'll see that that raised section is connected to a brass trigger on the back. So as cars go over this, they push this down. As you can see, it makes a connection there on the back side, and that completes a circuit. So when we have a scenario like a bell, like on this accessory here, crossing lights, you'll see those flicker and the bell will chime because of that intermittent contact, and it works very well. Again, a very simple kind of track tripper. Another kind of track tripper that I have in front of us here is this device. It's a little bit more complex than this simple push button style, but this has a wheel on it, and that wheel can be dialed up or down, and what it does is that creates more or less of a gap on this end. And then as the train approaches, it pushes down, and the pressure on the rails actually causes a connection to happen. And that works wonderfully if you have a crossing gate like this one here, as we'll see in a few moments. So it causes a realistic type of operation. So as the train approaches, the gate goes down, and then after the train passes, the gate goes up. Whereas with just your standard flashers like this and with a bell, where you do want intermittent contact to trigger the bell and get the ringing action, that's where this kind of a trip works a lot better than what this one would. It's been terrific to have you join me for this short talk today. I hope you haven't thought it too terrible that I keep using T's as often as I can, but I do know it's important to not make you tardy because there's many tasks you have to complete. So on a farewell, I'd just like to say toodaloo.